Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to design a professional presentation Canva. So let's get started. Open your Google Chrome browser, select the profile. Now you're in the search URL box. You have to type Canva and open the Canva website. After opening the website, you have to log in with your current account, which you have signed up for the Canva. After logging in, now uh, after logging in, you have to go to create a design. As you can see, option and search presentation. Just click on this arrow. Now you can see this presentation option here, presentation. Click on here. Now, step 2 is customizing the slides. To save time, Canva has tons of ready-made presentation templates. Choose one that matches your brand or topic. For example, I want to make, okay, this presentation looks cool. It will show you editing slide layouts, changing background colors, and adjusting fonts. So now I can see here I have 10 different type of presentation slides. So I will choose this one. Now you can change the fonts here by double clicking on it. You can change the fonts. You can type anything as you want for your presentation. Then after uh, applying the changes, you can save it directly by going on here share button. Okay, now as you can see here, you can also change the image by clicking on it. For example, I don't want this image. Just right click on it and click on delete option. It will get deleted. Now for uploading new pic, go to uploads. And for example, I want this pic. So double click on it, or you can go slide it here. Now as you can see here, my another image uploaded. Now you can set on here on your presentation, and that's it. Now you know how to create a presentation Canva. For downloading it, go to share option, then click on download and your presentation will be downloaded. So if you found this video helpful, sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tech tips. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.